you can fix if your Docker desktop WSL update failed. So first of all, you gotta open command prompt. So go to the search bar at the bottom and search for CMD. Here, you gotta type in WSL space dash dash update, and it will basically update the Windows subsystem for Linux for you. And also, you can restart WSL after that. You gotta type in WSL space dash dash shutdown and then reopen Docker desktop. If that doesn't help, then you gotta install the latest WSL. So type in WSL space dash dash install and then restart your PC afterwards, and your issue will be resolved. But let's say if that doesn't help as well, then you gotta check WSL version. So type in WSL space dash dash status and make sure you're using WSL2. Also, you gotta make sure that you have enabled the required Windows features, such as Windows Subsystem for Linux, that is basically WSL, and also Virtual Machine Platform. And once you have both of these stuff enabled, you gotta restart your computer. And let's say if for some reasons your WSL space dash dash update command fails, then you can download and install the latest WSL package from Microsoft. Also, one another fix is restarting the LXSS manager service. So you gotta press the Windows and R key at the same time and type in services.msc. And here in this list, you gotta search for LXSS manager if it's available. You gotta right click on it and you gotta restart it. Also, make sure to install all the pending Windows updates. And if nothing helps for you, then you gotta reinstall WSL, that is the last resort. So you gotta type in these commands, that is WSL unregister Docker desktop and WSL unregister Docker desktop data. Then reinstall Docker desktop, which recreates the WSL distribution. So one of these fixes will help you solve your issue. And that was basically how you can fix Docker desktop WSL update failed error. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.